Welcome! In this video we are going to talk about the different type of execution types in Rocketry. So from Rocketry we would like to import the Rocketry and create our app. And we can create a task where we set the execution to main. So this means that we are going to run in the main thread and just simply output the running in main. And what we could also do is to create a task decorated by the execution, and we call it async. So as you may guess, this is running async. And we could also create a task which is going to execute in a thread, a separate thread. So run thread, and we say that running in thread, and we create an app task execution equals process, and we call this run process. So print running in process, and if the name is equal to main, then we would call the app.run. So I suspect that we will have the future warning. Yeah. So what you could also do is, if you don't want to specify per task where it is supposed to run, is to basically say that the config equals task execution, and here you would say main process thread async, etc. async, but let's comment this out. So this is how you can change the different types of executions with Rocketry. See you in the next one.